studied more in school. Let's see, a light year is like saying a mile, only it's in huger amounts of miles.
A light year. Well, I believe a light year is the distance that light travels in a year.
Yeah, I know light year. It's the distance that light travels within 1 year.
Oh, an astronomical unit. I know this one. You see, a friend of mine and I were doing a crossword puzzle the other day, and that came up. An astronomical unit is the distance between the Earth and the Sun. And if I remember right, that's about 93 million miles.
This is kind of fun, actually.
Well, it has to be a measurement in astronomy due to the name astronomical unit. But as far as, how far, how long it is, I don't know. I guess I need to watch more science shows like this one.
Astronomical is huge, and a unit, though, indicates it's tiny, so it's like a oxymoron. It's a huge tiny.
A parsec. I think it's a kind of fish.
Partial second. It kind of indicates par, meaning partial, sec means second. So partial second.
Now, I'm not sure what a parsec is. I know I've heard it on Star Trek, but I'm not really quite sure what that is. Do you have any more questions? Because I think I have to go. Slippery. Thank you.
Welcome. My name is Dr. Elizabeth Hughes. In the 1100s, King Henry I of England used his booted foot as a standard unit of measurement, appropriately known as a foot. Since then, our quest to discover distances in space has given rise to new systems of measurement, more expansive than anything we previously needed. So, the reason we need, new systems of measurement is because, since King Henry was, using his feet, his, smelly old feet, an inch, we're so that works. But, now there's, so much space that we know about. We need new stuff to measure it. This is an inch, and, a light year is, watching, 4 episodes of Gossip Girl. How do you even measure that? A light year is the distance that light travels in 1 Earth year. Light travels 186,000 miles per second. It travels 5.88 trillion miles in a year. Another is an astronomical unit. That's the average distance from the Earth to the Sun, 93 million miles. It takes 8 minutes from light to travel from the Sun to the Earth. Then there's a parsec, a term often heard on Star Trek, which is based on the parallax of 1 second of arc. That's a long and complex explanation. Let's just say it breaks down to 19.1 trillion miles. Here are some equivalents. 1 light year equals 63,000 astronomical units. That's 0.3 parsecs. One parsec equals 3.26 light years. And 205,380 astronomical units. If an astronomical unit is scaled down to an inch, and remember, an astronomical unit is 93 million miles, then Alpha Centauri is 4 miles away. Sirius, 9 miles away. Vega, 25 miles away. The Pleiades star cluster, 440 miles away. The center of the Milky Way galaxy, 27,000 miles away. The Great Andromeda Galaxy, M31, 2,300,000 miles away. The Whirlpool Galaxy, 37 million miles away. No! Wait a second! Ugh. You call this a standardized system? Inch miles? Arc seconds? Combining distance with time? What the photon? Who is running the store? Okay. Right here, right now I am instituting a new unit of measurement based on, based on the distance from my house to my favorite bookstore. So, multiplied by how long it has to be divided by infinity, obviously. So, it'll be called a bookstore minute. The Hughes Bookstore Minute. Here's my equivalent. 806 centillion bookstore minutes to the edge of the universe. Put that in your large collider and smash it. Thank you for joining us.